Future Remain is a collaborative piece between the three of us. Borrow from the idea of accident, but then expanded into more detail and ways of dealing with the same subject. Which also talks about the use and human relation with objects, electronic objects, and how this, the intimate interaction that we have with this, and also how these objects sometimes could speak, could have language and stories that could be shared. And this piece is being shared differently with sound, writing.
This is my way of giving life back. And from this perspective, I am aware of my collaborators, and I follow and improvise in the intensity they bring and the dialogue they create. So if I see they are in a path that will be durational, I join the journey with them.
Growing up, I've been thinking about the current state when I was very young and looking at the environment that things will be more better when I grow up. And I realized when I'm growing up that I realized there's kind of modernity and like advancement in technology development, but I realized I prefer, like there's something so special about the past that I think it's not, incorporated in the present way of living that I felt it could work with. So the team actually gave me the opportunity and also the piece to also go back to. It's like traveling in time also, talking about the past and also objects and how they mean to us and the depth of the object, but then going to the realm of this depth to source information, to source answers, and that's how I look at the piece and also in relation to the theme of the festival this year.
Thank you, Chale Wote 2021, and thank you, Ghana, for offering a new experience. I have all my life to pay back.
It's been a challenge. I mean, from the beginning, how we imagined the work to be, but then we've been able to make it, and like as the three of us, it's kind of a collaboration, and like each and everyone's energy was able to pull it down. And I'm so happy this has come to a fruitful, like I mean, what we expected has come out. So like, yeah, I'm very happy, and also the audience coming, even though there was a kind of restriction in terms of COVID, but we're happy we have audience also who add to the energy around the space. Yeah.